Welcome back to my chemistry lessons. Today I am going to talk about half-life of a radioactive substance. Half-life of a radioactive substance is time taken for half nuclei in a given sample to decay. In other words, the time taken to disintegrate half of the nuclei of a radioactive substances in a given sample. For example, if you are taking a certain amount of a radioactive substance and after a certain time of period, that original amount of the radioactive substance becomes half, and that time period is called half-life of a radioactive substance. For example, if you have thorium-90-234, it has half-life 24 days. So if you are keeping 100 grams of thorium-90-234 for 24 days, at the end of the 24 days, you will be having only 50 grams. And after another 24 days, you will be having only 25 grams. So every 24 days, the original amount of the thorium becomes half of the original amount. So some of the radioactive substances have billions years of half-life period. At the same time, some of other radioactive substances have fractions of seconds or minutes. So if you have uranium 90-238, its half-life is 4.5 billion years. So if you look into this equation, thorium 90-234 converted into proactinium 91-234 with emission of a beta particle. For this reaction, it will take 24 days. That means after 24 days, the given amount of the thorium becomes its half. For example, if you are taking 100 grams of thorium, after 24 days it becomes 50 grams. And after another 24 days it becomes 25. So in every time the half of the amount of thorium disappeared is converted into proactinium-234. So in this case, the half-life of thorium-90-234 is 24 days. So some of the radioactive substances have billions of years of half-life, and other radioactive elements have minutes or fractions of seconds. So in the case of polonium-84-18, the half-life is 3 minutes. But in the case of uranium-90-238, has half-life of 4.5 billion years. So the half-life of a radioactive substances is different for different radioactive substances. So if you look into some other examples, in the case of uranium-90-238, in that radioactive reaction, uranium-90-238 converted into thorium-234 with emission of an alpha particle. So its half-life is 4.5 billion years. So in another example, polonium-84-18, in that radioactive process, polonium-84-18 converted into lead-82-14 with emission of an alpha particle with a half-life of 3 minutes. So every 3 minutes, the half of the polonium 84 to 18 converted into lead 82 to 14. So thanks for watching this. Keep watching. Please subscribe and like my videos. Have a nice day.